Ashwin, you ready?
Alex, yeah, you can start, Alex.
Dreams become reality with the perfect platform. Give wings to your ambition. Ignite it with power, with creativity, and let it fly. Let it fly high to reach the sky. Let your passion lead you. Take you places. Script your success story. And make you a champion in your mastery. Transform your dreams into reality with Ramapuram SRM Institute of Science and Technology.
டேய் சும்மாறா நானே போயிருக்கேன் நண்பா உனக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கா
வணக்கம். இன்றைய முக்கிய செய்திகள். கொரோனா பெரும் பரவல் காரணமாக பொது முடக்கம் அறிவிக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. இதனால் அனைத்து கல்லூரிகளும் அடைக்கப்பட்டு ஆன்லைனில் வகுப்புகள் நடைபெறும் என்பது இதன் மூலமாக அறிவிக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது.
அப்போ ஹேஷ்டேக்
Hi guys, a very good afternoon to everyone present here. We'd like to thank you for signing up for Let's Get Trivial's event. We are delighted to welcome you all to hashtag 2021 Unlocked Loop of Respite. We would like to thank our sponsors, Madan's Makeover, a tailor-made salon. I'm Sheba Sunny, along with my teammates Shafika and Swati B, and we are going to be the host for today's event. The winner will get a gift voucher of 1,000 rupees, and the first runner-up will get a voucher of 500 rupees. All the participants will get a voucher of 25% discount. The most interactive participant will get a voucher worth 500 rupees. Before the game begins, let's run through the rules and regulations quickly. Okay, so basically we have 3 rounds for our event. So the first round will be guess the country's name. So we'll be showing you emoji puzzles that relate to a country's name, and we'll be giving you 15 seconds time. You will have to, the first one to type text me in the chat box will be given the chance to answer the question. Each answer will be rewarded 5 points if you answer it in the first go. If the first person answers it wrong and it gets passed on to the second person, but then the second person will get only 3 points. Top 10 will be selected to the next round. The next round is guess the plot. We'll be showing you plots of various television series or movies, and you'll be given 15 seconds to answer the question. If you answer within the first 7 seconds, you'll be rewarded 5 points. If you answer it within 10 seconds, you will be rewarded 3 points. And if you take the whole 15 seconds to answer it, you will be rewarded only 2 points. The first one to type me in the chat box will be given the chance to answer the question. And the first 5 will be selected to the next round. So the next round, that is the final round, that will be 10 things. So we have prepared a list of 10 possible things that we can see in a room. We have prepared a list already. So we'll be giving you any part of the house, like any room of the house. It can be a bedroom, it can be a bathroom. You'll have to list 10 possible things that can be there in our secret list. But then the fun in the round is that you'll have to pick at least 7. You will have to collect 7 things also from that. We'll be giving you 3 minutes time to write, and we'll be seeing the answers of all the 5 people who are there in the finale round. Okay, so that's it with the rules and regulations. Now over to you, Shafika. You can take over.
Hi, I'm Shafika here hosting the event with Shiva and Swati. So now let's move on to the trivial matters. Like, Swati, present the screen.
Yeah, 1 second. We wish you guys all the very best for the rounds.
Yeah. Okay, so round 1 is about guess the country's name. So the participants will be shown emoji puzzles that relates to a country's name, and they will be given 15 seconds to guess the answer. And then the first one to type me in the chat box will be given the first preference. Each answer will be rewarded 5 points if you answer it in the first go. And if you don't answer, we will pass it on to the next person, and he or she will get 3 points. And then the first 10 persons will be selected to the next round. So let's start it. Okay, so guess the country's name now. Okay. Ibrahim gets the chance.
Osaka. Sorry?
Osaka.
No, Shalini, it's wrong. Purnima.
Okay. No, I have said you first before Purnima.
Actually, I think I did say second.
Shalini answered right now, no?
Okay.
But
Austria. It's Austria. Austria.
Wasn't I supposed to answer?
Shalini, you answered first, right?
Yeah.
No.
First Ibrahim, then Shalini said yes, and then Purnima, and then Vishala.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Could you check, because according to what I see, first Impossible Abraham, then it's me, then Shalini.
For me, it shows. It shows that I send it first, then Shalini, then Purnima. Yeah.
Okay,
exactly
then.
the same for me.
Okay, let's see the answer.
So the answer is Austria.
Okay, so due to the error, we'll give Ibrahim and Shalini the points. Okay.
Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. Visalaschi.
Brazil.
Could you guys be a little more louder, and then can you turn on the videos when you're answering?
Brazil.
Nope.
Next one, who wants to guess the answer?
Me?
Okay, Ibrahim, you can go.
Bahrain.
Okay, we'll see the answer.
Yeah. Okay. So the answer is right, and Ibrahim gets the point.
Guys, you have to text me in the chat box. Okay. Guys, you can start guessing the next one.
Abdullah.
Wales.
So let's get the answer. Yeah, okay. You get the point.
Okay, I said,
Shalini.
yeah, it's child, like, I don't know, CHILE.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறீங்க.
I said first.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's China.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay, you guys are, guessing it really quick. Okay.
15 seconds time தேவையில்லை நினைக்கிறேன்.
Guys, it would be great if you switch on your videos while you answer it, so that, okay?
I said it again first.
Shalini, yeah. Shalini, switch on your video, please.
Yes, sure. It's Belgium. Belgium.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, fine. Next question. Shalini Das.
Yeah, so it's Denmark.
Okay, fine.
Others, be quick. Be quick.
Others, yeah. Okay, fine.
Yeah, it's me
Shalini
again.
Das.
So it's Germany. Germany.
Shalini Das.
It's spine or what is it? Okay, wait.
You've got only 15 seconds to answer.
Okay, wait.
Yep.
Okay, Swati.
Okay, move ahead.
Okay, Purnima can answer.
Hungary. Hungary, I don't know the pronunciation title. HUNG.
Fine. Go on to the next question. Abdullah.
Iran. Iran.
Yeah, okay. Abdullah.
Bolivia.
Great.
Okay, super. Abdullah.
Libya.
Well, you guys are answering.
Yeah, others also be quick, no? Okay.
Okay, Abdullah goes first.
Abdullah, 15 seconds time.
I pass.
Okay, next one. After Abdullah, Shalini.
Is it Singapore?
No. Okay, next one. Suvita, Priya. Suvita, are you there? Okay. Okay, if Suvita is not there, then the next one.
Cairo?
No, Taj.
Who is the next one?
Tajunisa. I don't know whether I pronounced it
Actually,
right.
before Shweta,
Tajunisa has put up the message. Is she there?
It's Morocco. It's Morocco.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Moving on to the next question.
Abdullah gets their chance.
Serbia.
What?
Serbia.
No. Next one, Shalini.
Is it Sylvia?
No. Next one, Suvita, Priya.
Colombia?
Yeah, correct.
Others also answer.
Okay.
Get fast.
Okay, this time me.
Yeah, Shalini.
So it is Peru.
Yes. Okay.
Abdullah.
Poland.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Abdullah.
Portugal.
Yeah. Okay, that was nice. Okay. Abdullah.
Qatar.
Great.
Fine, okay.
Okay. This might be a tricky one. Who's
Shalini.
Shalini. Shalini.
Okay. Iraq.
No. Next one. Suvita, Priya.
No, I'll pass.
You don't know. Tajunisa. Are you there? Or do you want to
I'll pass.
Okay. Sushil, Kiran.
I pass.
Ibrahim.
You want to answer?
Korea.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next question.
This is the last one. Who texted me first?
Shalini does.
Okay, Shalini.
It's
Okay, your timer is going on.
okay. Just a minute. Okay, I pass.
Okay. Misalachi.
Romania.
No.
I think next one's me. Is it?
Romania.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Did someone answer it?
Romania.
No.
I have answered.
What did you answer?
Romania.
No, it's not. No.
Sanjana Patil.
It's Rwanda.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'll just read out the names, those who are there in the next round. The others can watch the YouTube live, okay? So Ibrahim is there, okay? Shalini and Purnima, Abdullah, Tajunisa, Suvita and Sanjana. These people have made it to the next round. So I request others to see it in the YouTube live, okay?
Okay, I just had a query.
Yeah.
Like, since the first round, the winners will be decided like on the cumulative score of the total points of each round.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you say also the scores of every person?
Yeah. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll tell you right now, okay?
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Dude, you were going to your native, right? You reached your native and stuff.
Just today. And I just
Cool.
lost the previous one because I reached late and couldn't make it up for the gibberish one. I reached almost at 1:45 and the event started at 2, like the prelims. So it was so hectic for me.
It's all right. It was fun though. You should have watched it.
So shall I read out the scores?
Yeah.
So Ibrahim with 13 points. Okay. Shalini with 35 points. Great. Purnima with 3 points. And Abdullah again with 35 points. Great work. Tajunisa with 3 points. Suvita with 3 points. And Sanjana with 3 points. Okay. So Abdullah and Shalini, great work, guys.
Well, he is giving me competition in every event.
Yeah. You have to. Yeah. Both of you has to rush now. Okay. So shall we move on to the next round?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Okay, fine. So round 2, guess the plot. We will look into the rules. The participants, that is, you guys will be shown various plots of the television series, sitcoms or movie, and then you will be given 15 seconds to answer. And if you answer it within the 7 seconds, you will get the whole 5 points. And if you answer it in 10 seconds, you will get 3 points. And if you take whole 15 seconds, you will get 2 points. And if you don't answer in the 15 seconds, the other person will get chance. And the first one to text me in the chat box will be given chance, first priority. And then the first 5 people will be selected to the next round. So let's start.
Okay. Okay. Chrislyn, no. Suvita has answered.
Friends.
Okay.
One sec. Swati, just take a note of the timer, okay? Shafika, you are taking the note.
Yeah, I'm taking the note.
Yeah.
Okay, so Shalini does. No, Purnima.
That was for the previous one actually. Shalini gets to answer this one.
Okay, fine. Guess the answer.
Okay, well, just a minute. It is Game of Thrones.
Yeah, okay.
One sec, Swati. Within how many minutes? How many seconds did Shalini answer?
8.
Dude, doubt. Is there any negative marking for this round?
Nope.
No negative markings.
Shall we go to the next one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It's really easy, guys.
Shalini.
Okay, wait a minute.
15 seconds is over. The next one.
Ibrahim, do you wanna answer?
War dog.
No, sorry.
Okay, so the next person.
Does anybody else want to answer? Any guesses, guys?
Anybody?
Nobody wants to guess? Guys, come on, guess it. No negative marks, no.
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll see the answer then. Okay, if nobody wants to guess, then we'll just reveal the answer then. Okay, Abdullah, you wanna answer?
Is this a series like Dog the Bounty Hunter?
No. Check the first image. I mean, it's a very recent series. The next season has also released right now. Okay, if nobody wants to answer, then we'll just go for the answer. I mean, Shafiqa, answer.
Okay. Move to the next slide.
It was Lupin. Okay, next one.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
So,
Shalini.
It is Money Heist.
What?
Okay.
Money
Yeah, correct.
Heist.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Guys, others, be quick. Ibrahim, come on, be quick. Okay, guess this one.
This is so easy.
Shalini, the answer?
Yeah, it is Peaky Blinders.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was Sanjana, I guess.
Don't have any movies here. It's all series, dude. Come on. I mean, I don't want
Movies are coming.
Like no one watches series like this. Like I watch only movies.
It will come. Movies are coming up, Ibrahim. Movies are coming.
Hey, it was Sanjana before Shalini, I guess.
No, Sanjana answered me at 4:05. Shalini at 4:04.
Yeah.
Okay, guess this one, guys.
Yeah, I said
Ibrahim.
No, I said me first.
It's
Twice it's me. Wait, Ibrahim, don't spell the answer. It's my chance.
Okay, guys, you have to switch on your videos right now, or else you won't get the points. Okay.
Okay, fine. It is basically Dance Back from the Grave.
No.
No.
Ibrahim.
is it a dagger sphere something?
No.
Nope.
Next one. Anybody wants to guess?
Okay, I can guess. Once again.
Who's that? No,
Shalini.
you had your chance already.
Okay, I got confused. Can I?
One guess at a time.
Alright. Okay. If no one's guessing, then I will.
Okay, next one. Anybody wants to guess? Nobody wants to guess, then no one gets the point, okay?
I can say.
Okay. You can say, but you won't get any points, okay? Is that
No
cool?
issues. Cool.
Okay.
It's Vampire Diaries, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, no points for this one, okay? Alright, next question. Okay, guess this one, guys. First one. Nobody knows? Shalini. Video
it is-
on Shalini.
Okay, fine. Okay, wait.
Video
Okay,
on-
fine. It is Lost in Space, season 2.
Yeah. Super.
Okay, guys, others be quick, no? Yes.
Anybody?
Ibrahim.
Skull balloon.
Nope.
Guys, come on, everyone is sitting home. You'll be watching series, no? Remember the episodes. You might have seen these somewhere. Suvita?
Is it Lock and Key?
No.
No.
Next
வீட்ல இருந்து நம்ம படம் தானே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம்.
exactly. Watching movies, no? Movies, series, 24/7.
போன ஈவென்ட்லலாம் நல்லா அப்படியே சூப்பரா டக்குன்னு ஆன்சர் பண்ணீங்க.
No, I'm in class 12, so I don't watch TV at all. So series is like...
Take class 12 as an excuse, huh?
No, I don't watch series. Like, I don't have Netflix, I don't have anything.
Okay,
fine.
so nobody wants to answer?
No, bueno.
Okay, so we'll move on to the answer then. Who Killed Sarah? This is also a latest one. This is an Indian series. Like, it's an Indian series.
Anybody? Any guesses? Shalini.
Yeah.
Video on, Shalini. Video on.
It's on. Like, it's getting time since my network is slow. Okay. If I'm not wrong, like, it's Little Things.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Cool.
Okay. Okay, this one.
Any guesses? Okay.
Yeah,
Sanjana.
Is it Stranger Things?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, next
Anybody?
one. Any guesses? No guesses? Look at the board. Look at the board of the
Grey's Anatomy?
Yeah. Finally.
Finally one. Okay.
So, this one.
Any guesses, guys? Nobody knows? Okay.
Abdullah.
What is sitcom?
How I Met Your Mother.
Sitcom is actually situation comedy. It's like a comedy series.
Dude, How I Met Your Mother. It's a sitcom.
Okay.
We'll see the answer. Correct?
Series பார்க்கலன்னு சொல்லிட்டு getting the points.
He knows. Okay, this one.
This one is also a very nice series.
Any guesses? I think Purnima answered. I mean, Purnima has texted me first. Purnima, did you answer it for the previous question or this question?
For the previous one.
Okay, so
Sweta.
For the previous one.
Previous one. Does anyone knows the answer? Nobody knows?
I can just I can just guess. I don't know if I am right.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. Is it Guinea and Georgia?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
So this is a movie.
This is a movie.
Tamil movie. படம் கேட்டீங்கடா.
And if any Malayali is there, it's a remix of a Malayalam movie.
Yeah.
Suvita?
Mara.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so guess this movie.
This is also a Tamil movie.
Yeah. Suvita.
Surarai Potru.
Okay.
Great. Okay,
Fine.
so Okay, so the ones who have made it to the next round is Suvita with 15 points, Shalini with 21 points, Sanjana with 5 points, and Abdullah with 10 points. Okay, congrats guys. And Ibrahim, you have been very interactive. Okay, you couldn't make it to the next one, but it's okay. You have been very interactive. You are trying your best. Okay. Okay.
So 4 are moving to the next round, is it?
So do I leave?
No, you stay. You stay. Okay. All right. Okay. So basically, the
I
next.
have one doubt. Do I still participate in the questions or anything?
Okay. Yeah, you can participate. You can participate in this round. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So guys, basically this round we have created a list. Okay. We have created a list of 10 things that is already that will be there in our particular room. Okay, it can be a bedroom, it can be a living room, any room of our house. Okay, 10 common things that are there in a room we have written. Okay, so what you guys have to do is that you have to be very quick. Okay, we'll give you 3 minutes time. You need a pen and paper with you. Okay, and you have to list down 10 things that you remember, like it might be there in our secret list, which you think it might be there in our secret list. Okay, and you have to collect at least 7 out of it. I mean, collect 7 items from that. It's not like we have put very tough things and all, like we haven't put sofa blah 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 and all in that. So list down 10 things that you feel it's common, and try to collect at least 7. Okay, and then in the end we'll see the list of all these people who are there in the round 3, in the final round, and then we'll tell the winner in the end. Okay, understood? You have any doubts?
So where do we need to actually send the picture?
Not picture. You guys have to collect it, not picture.
You should turn on the video and you have to show it to us.
You have to show it to us.
Oh, okay, cool. So like we basically need to write it down, and out of that we need to collect at least 7, and turn by turn you will ask us to on our video and you will see it.
You guys have to tell us. We won't tell you right then itself, like whether it's correct or not. Nothing will tell. In the end only we'll be telling you. Okay?
Okay, cool, fine.
Yeah.
Dude, give 2 minutes.
All right.
Get the pen and paper and stuff.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just give a minute to bring the pen and paper just then.
Yeah, sure. You guys go bring your pen and papers, no issues. And you guys have to keep your videos on throughout the whole round. Okay? So I'll read out the names once again. Okay? Suvita, okay, Shalini, Sanjana, Abdullah, and Ibrahim. Okay, you guys have to keep your videos on throughout the session. Okay? Understood? You didn't start yet, right? I brought it. Okay, where are the others? Did everyone bring?
Okay, is everyone ready? Shalini didn't come, I think.
Ibrahim, ready? Ready?
I'm ready. Yeah. Yes.
Shalini, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Abdullah, are you ready?
Born ready. Let's go.
Okay. Then who is there? Suvita, are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Sanjana?
Which one your videos?
Switch on your videos, guys. Okay. Is everyone's video turned on?
Shalini's video isn't on.
Abdullah, turn on your video.
Yeah, that's right.
Abdullah, okay.
Okay.
Cool. Abdullah is there. So with Shalini is on. Ibrahim is on. Suvita. Okay, yours is also Sanjana. Where is Sanjana? Okay. So shall we move on to the question, guys? Remember, 3 minutes time you'll be given. You have to collect 7 things and then you have to list it down also. Okay? Collect 7 possible. Okay, all the best, guys.
The game is 10 things, but you should collect 7.
What?
What?
The game is 10 things, but should we collect 7 things?
Minimum 7. Like if you
Minimum 7. You can
go more than
collect more. It's okay, no problem in that.
25?
What?
Can we collect 15 or 25 and,
No, you should collect the things that are there in your list. You can't collect things that aren't there in your list.
No, I didn't get it.
Okay, see, you will write a list, right? 10 things list you'll write. No, you should collect the 10 things that are there in your list. You can't just go and grab
Like at the house, I should like collect it and show it to you. Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Dude, the AC on the wall. How can I collect that?
I told we won't be writing AC and all like things that you can't collect.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. It'll be easy only. Okay. All right.
Wait, minimum 7, maximum?
Maximum 10. 10 things that are there in your list. Only that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So shall we start? You ready, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So who is taking? Shafika, you're seeing the timer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Go for it then. Okay. List down 10 things that are there in a bedroom. Come on. Swati. Wow.
Swati.
Sorry, guys. Wait. We have another question.
Okay. We have answer, right?
Dude, at least show those answers. They will
No. That's not.
Everyone on the question varadu.
That question won't come now.
We will show the answers for that. But that
Okay,
question
we
won't
will just
take
show
it.
you the answers what we had written already. Okay. Swati, just show them the answers of bedroom.
I can't get you.
Show the answers of that question, bedroom question.
Yeah, once again.
Okay.
Can I see?
Curtains were there, bed sheet, pen, which you guys are using right now, a pillowcase, a photo frame, safety pin, water bottles, nail cutter, trash bin, and a bag. Okay? So, like, don't think so much complicated and all. It will be very minute things. Okay? Swati, take that tiebreaker question, no?
Yeah.
Don't show the answer, just show the question.
Yeah, okay.
Shafika, just see the timer, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay, be quick, guys.
One second, guys.
Sorry for the delay, guys. Okay, by then I have put the feedback form in the chat box. Please do fill it up. Okay, if you find the game interesting, please do fill it up. Okay. Okay. Okay.
This one.
Swati, no, I've sent you right now again.
Okay. You can share it, Ka.
Okay, cool. I'll share it right now. We need to do this.
We need to guess this movie.
No.
Yeah. Okay, 1 second, guys. There is a glitch in it. Okay. 1 sec, guys. 1 sec. Okay, guys. Be ready, okay? Okay, so this is the question. List down 10 things that you can find in a living room. Okay? Okay, guys, 3 minutes time, okay?
Do we have to go get them if you're done, or
Yeah, you can go. Shri Shakti, try presenting no. Just check whether the question is the right one or not, and present no if it's possible.
Your 1 minute is over.
Luke, can I go get him?
Yeah.
If you're done, you can go get them. Come back within 3 minutes.
We have to give them. I finished. Do I have to take a photo and send it on the WhatsApp group?
No. You just keep it with you. We'll tell everyone to read it out, okay? Did you collect the things? Did you collect the things?
Yeah, I've written down all 10 things.
Did you collect it?
Oh, I have to bring them?
Yeah, you have to bring them also. Okay. Shri Shakti, it's seen. Present the question. Okay.
The time is over.
Okay, guys, come back. Abdullah, he went. Okay, got it. Shalini. Okay. Okay, we'll go. You guys are ready? Shall we discuss the answers now? Okay. Cool. Okay. I think Abdullah can go first.
Okay, cool. So, how do we do this?
Okay, you first read out the this thing. What? Your list. Read out the list and then show us the things later.
Okay, so I have 10 things on my list. Okay, here's the list. I'm reading out from the list. It has a remote, keys, phone charger, phone, comb, watch, purse, headphones, and a mask. Okay.
Can you read it a little bit like so that I can just take a note of it?
Yeah. I can just type it in the chat, like, if you want.
Okay. Okay, you guys then type it in the chat box, whatever you've written. Okay? Everyone type it in.
We need to type down the list in the chat box?
Yeah. Everyone do it. Okay? Single message, okay? You can't add on things later, okay? It should be a single message. Okay. Abdullah has put up his answer. Next one. Okay. Guys, quick.
Sanjana has put up. Okay. Shalini has also put up. Wait, so.
Okay. So, Abdullah, can you show the things, like whatever you have with you?
Okay, cool. So let's go. First is remote. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have keys, which is there.
Okay.
Then we have phone charger. I'm sorry because my phone charger is like connected there. Can you see it?
Okay.
Yeah. Then we have the phone itself. I'm on it. Okay. So.
Okay.
Then we have a comb.
Okay.
Then I have a watch.
Okay.
Okay.
Then there's a purse.
Okay.
And then headphones. Dude, my headphones are in my room right now.
Okay.
Yeah, and then a mask.
All right. Okay. So, Shalini, your answer. Remote.
Okay. Yeah, so this is the remote.
One sec, Shalini. I'll just take a note of whatever you've sent in the chat box.
Alright.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So here goes the remote.
Okay.
Then the water bottle.
Okay.
The bag, which is basically my school.
Okay.
Okay, and then the showpiece, like some decoration items. I have brought this little one of the showpieces in my cupboard.
Okay.
And sanitizer.
Okay.
I have the chair, so I'll just turn my laptop and show you. I hope you can see.
Yeah.
Great. And then there's a big mirror, but I'm showing you the small one which I have because I can't bring the big one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the keys.
Okay.
The charger. Where's the charger?
Okay.
And finally, like books. So basically, those are books, and I have taken one.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm done.
Okay. Okay. Now, we'll move on to Suvita.
I bought a remote.
Okay.
Vase, flower vase.
Okay.
Then a clock. I just bought a small one. I couldn't take it. Then a calendar. Wait, just a minute. It just fell down. A calendar.
Okay.
Okay.
Then the sofa cover.
Okay.
Then a cushion.
Okay.
Then a painting, the wall hanging.
Okay.
Then I bought a table, a small mini table.
Okay.
And then the speaker.
Okay.
Could you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You had a painting, right? Okay. All right. Now we'll move on to Ibrahim. No, I mean, Ibrahim.
Yeah, so pen, book, which I am wrote the thing, and a mask.
Okay.
A water bottle.
Okay.
A TV remote.
Okay.
And the laptop that I'm using.
Okay.
I accidentally wrote some of the things that I don't have, like pets, but I have a watch.
Okay.
And shoe rack also I don't have.
Okay.
But I wrote it down.
Okay.
All right. Sanjana.
Yeah, so I got the doormat, but then it's down there.
There is your list. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Yeah, so the doormat is down there. You want me to show it?
Okay. No need. It's okay.
Then the shoes, in the way. Then the remote.
Okay.
Pen and the pen stand. Then I've got the wires. Okay. It's basically the charger wire sort of thing. Then showpiece, like bit of thing outside. Then pillows, that's a cushion thing. Then keys, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll see the list that we have. Okay. All right. Okay. Shri Shakti, the next slide, no? Shri Shakti, are you there? Shri Shakti. Okay. So rug, okay. Newspaper, flower vase, TV remote, a clock. I have considered watch also, okay. Clock and watch, mask, sanitizers, which is very important right now, keys, speakers, trophies, all the show pieces that you have, and a TV stand. Okay. So, okay. You guys did a really good job. Okay. Great work, guys. But the winner is Shalini. Okay. She has got 96 points. Congrats, Shalini.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and the first runner-up is Abdullah. Great work, Abdullah. You've got 85 points. And the most interactive one was the little one, Ibrahim. Okay. So you have got, Shalini will be getting a gift voucher of 1,000 rupees gift voucher. Abdullah will be getting a 500 rupees voucher, and Ibrahim also will be getting a 500 rupees voucher. Okay. All the participants, thank you guys for participating. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we hope you all enjoyed the event today. Now I would like to call upon, which faculty is there? Pooja ma'am.
Hello, guys.
Mahalakshmi ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, hi, guys. So it was really fun looking at you participating so enthusiastically, and I thank you all the participants and congratulate the winners. And Ibrahim, it was very great to see you on the screen, and you did an awesome job, and I just loved watching you just like that. And even the questions and all were just so wonderful, and I just loved. Okay, and it was really hard for me to stop myself from unmuting and answering the questions, and it was so fun. And
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, so thank you for the team who worked on the background, preparing the questions, slides, everything. And thanks for making the event so lively, and it was just an awesome session.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And once again, congratulations, winners.
Okay, congrats winners. Thank you, ma'am. We hope everyone enjoyed the event today. We would like to conclude this session by thanking our convener, Architect Lokesh Mativanan sir, VP Admin SRM Seed, and our co-convener, Architect Ashok Kumar sir, HOD SRM Seed, event coordinators, Architect M. Dileepan sir, Architect Pooja ma'am, and faculty coordinators, Mahalakshmi ma'am, Shalini ma'am, and Anusha ma'am. So the winners and the runner-ups will be given the gift vouchers. Okay, I have put up the feedback form in the list, in the chat box, guys. Please do fill it up. Okay, thank you guys for your participation, and we would love to see you again for the upcoming events. There are many more events that are coming up. Please do join and have a great day. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sheva and Kapika. You guys did really good job.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Awesome, man. And congrats,
that's what. Being the little you tried really
to
best.
you, Abdullah. Hoping to see you soon again in another event and give me
We should.
Yeah.
And thank you for the coordinators who conducted it really well. The questions were very good, I must say. Like I felt little bit lively and more good because some of the events are like they have a mixture of languages and I actually don't understand Tamil at all. So I took a sigh of relief because it was completely in English and everything was like perfect. So I liked it. I enjoyed it thoroughly.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Please do fill up the feedback form. Okay. Hope to see you guys in the next events also. Okay. Do join the other events also. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Take care, guys. Yeah.
Take care.
Have a good day.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. See you. See you in the next event.
You can stop recording. Hello?